guys, it's Angel. Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, I'm really excited kasi finally, lilinisin na natin yung closet ko. And perfect day today kasi holiday ngayong Friday, guys. And then, if ever hindi ko siya na-continue today dahil may iba pa akong gagawin mamaya, then I can continue on Saturday and Sunday. So, let's start. Ayun yung closet ko. And before we start, gusto ko lang sabihin na hindi talaga siya ganyan kagulo. Pero umabot lang sa point, siguro mga this month or almost 2 months na masyado na akong marami ding new clothes. Kaya hindi na sila kasha. So, this video is also going to be a declutter type of video where I let go of my clothes na I think hindi ko na magagamit or I think minsan ko lang sila magagamit. So, I can let go of them. So, ayan ang closet ko, guys. And then, let's start to open. Para kita nyo. Okay. So, actually, naka-arrange to before. Nandito yung mga skirts and pants ko. And then, here, ito yung mga pants na medyo formal. And then, tada! Ayan, pagulo na siya ng pagulo, guys. And then, also, ito naka-arrange din to before into my pambahay, my blouses, and my cardigans and jackets. So, kabisado ko naman sila lahat kung saan sila nakalagay. The problem is, masyado na silang magulo dahil masyado na marami. And then, over here are my dresses and jackets. Ito, guys, naka-bicolor yan sila before. I think may narinig ko yung noise. It's from the aircon, guys. And then I have here my accessories. Okay, so here is our before. Okay, just from looking at this, I know na ma-overwhelmed na ako. So, i-close muna natin itong dresses aside, yung mga jumpsuits and jackets, long jackets aside. And then, unahin ko na muna to, guys, kasi mas magulo talaga sila. So, what I'm going to do is transfer all of these clothes to my bed, and then from there, I'm going to sort out yung mga clothes na I think I'm still going to use in the future, and those clothes na I'm ready to let go. And then, once I have all of them, titiklopin ko na sila, and then babalik ko na sila ulit dito, guys. Guys, fail ang first plan ko na i-transfer lahat ng clothes dito sa bed ko. Kasi yung bottoms part pa lang pala ng cabinet, mapupuno na niya yung bed ko. So, yung bottoms, those are the skirts, pants, and shorts. And puno na yung bed ko, guys. So, unahin na muna natin yon i-declutter. So, it's currently 2:50 in the afternoon. And let's see kung what time natin ito matatapos. Oh, this skirt! I actually never wore this skirt, guys, kasi hindi ko talaga maalala na may ganito pala ako. Pero ngayon naalala ko na, I'm gonna wear this. Gusto ko yan, velvet yung tela niya. Ito, very easy decision. This is a corduroy skirt, and it's one of my favorite skirts, so keep yan. Okay, so we have here this denim skirt. This is actually really cool. Problem lang kaya hindi ko ito nasosot kasi malaki pa siya sa akin, but I'll alter this. Lalagyan ko siya ng belt, and then masusuot ko na siya. I just need time. Pag nagdadalawang isip ka sa isang damit, you think hindi mo naman na siya masusuot, but you're holding on to it. Kasi, I don't know, for some reason, you're holding on to it. Pag ganun, guys, ilat ko nyo na lang yung damit. Okay, guys, so finally, na-sort out ko na sila. I have here sa sahig yung mga hindi ko na gagamitin, so ipapamigay ko na sila. And then I have here the stuff na I will use. So guys, most of the clothes na I'm not sure kung kukuntin ko pa sila or hindi is yung mga pants, kasi hindi ako sure kung kasya pa rin sila sa akin. That's why I'm going to try them. Okay, guys, so ayan, kitang-kita nyo ang kaguluhan na nangyayari behind the scenes dahil sa pagliligpit natin today. Pero promise, magiging maayos na yan after natin matapos tong closet ko. So, I tried this one. Actually, kasya naman pala siya sa akin, guys. Kaya ko to nilagay dun sa I'm not sure pile kasi akala ko hindi siya kasha. Pero since kasha naman siya, I'm gonna keep this. Okay, next we have here this pants. Perfect fit siya sa akin, guys. Tapos high waist din siya. Lakas maka-sexy nito actually. Hindi ako mukhang payat dito. So, I'm going to keep this. Akala ko kasi malaki siya sa akin kaya nilagay ko siya dun sa I'm not sure pile. Pero turns out na saktong-sakto na yung fit niya. Here is the pile ng mga ipapamigay ko, guys. I would say these are about 25 to 30 clothes. Mga ganon. Actually, guys, ang gaganda pa nito. Especially this one. Mga ganyan yung mga pants. Lahat sila maganda pa. But, I won't be able to wear them. Kaya, I have to let them go. Finally, natapos ko na silang tiklupin, and right now, what I'm gonna do is transfer them all to the cabinet. Tapos, I think I'm gonna stop there kasi 4:37 na. Even though it's a holiday, I have to work a little bit, kaya mag-work na ako. Hindi ko na makakontinue yung other places, but we will continue tomorrow morning again. Hey guys, good morning! So today is day 2 of our cleanup. So actually guys, tinanggal ko lang yung mga nakalagay dito. And looking at my cabinet now, malinis naman pala siya. But I really need to declutter some clothes. O nga pala, each part of my cabinet has safeguard. Actually, lahat kami ganun. So anyway, kinuha ko muna yun sa second layer and then I'm going to check if I like some of these stuff. If I like them, ibabalik ko sila doon. If I don't like them, I'll put them in that bag. So, from that cabinet, guys, ito yung mga ipapamigay ko na. Okay, guys, now it's finally time for the dress. You guys are probably wondering why nilabas ko silang lahat when in fact, naka-hanger naman sila. Pero kasi, I heard from watching Marie Kondo's show on Netflix na kapag nilagay mo sila sa kama mo, you will have a feel na parang ang dami-dami mong damit. Kaya, hindi ka manghihinayang na i-let go sila. So, ganun yung ginagawa ko. This is my pile, guys, na mga i-donate ko. Hindi na sila kasya dun sa isang plastic bag, so I'll get a new one. So here, guys, I have my skirts. On the left side, I have my long skirts, and then on the right side, I have my denim skirts, and I have my mini skirts. Then over here, I have my pants and my shorts, and at the back, I have my denim pants. Over here are my sweaters, and then below that are my t-shirts on the right, and on the left are my crop tops. And then I also have here my iPhone box and my AirPods box. Below that, I have here on the right my turtleneck sweaters and my knitted tops. And then dito naman sa left, I have my polos. So below that, guys, I have here my delicate tops. Kaya nilagyan ko muna dito sa ilalim para hindi sila kumakapit sa wood. And then, here naman sa left side, I have my rompers and jumpers. So, beside that cabinet, we have here the dresses. So, inarrange ko sila, guys, by color. And then, ayan na sila. Then, to save space, I have here my accessories sa door. So, ayan sila, guys. Meron dyan nakalagay na bag kanina and I just removed it. So, overall, that's how my closet looks like now. Ayan sila hanggang sa ilalim. I also cleaned this part sa drawers. I have here my pambahays and my shorts. Pero this part, sa pinakababa, pambahay sila na pwede rin pang alis in a way. Yung pang punta ng sari-sari store, ganun. And then, over here, I have my pantulogs. And then, dito sa second and sa first, I have my underwears, mga bras, and mga camis, so mga socks, so I'm not gonna show that. Grabe, nakakapagod guys, pero finally, after 2 days, natapos ko na rin siya. Well, hindi naman kasi whole day ginawa, but still, it took me 2 days. I'm so satisfied na onti na lang yung laman niya, which means I can buy more. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it, and please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!